Jen discovered the so-called X-ray. Here are our cast. Alvic Wilhelmino as Rowan Jen. Jem Alison Brutus as his wife. Shivan Astri Tutulio as the teacher. Griselvas Mayor, Abel Arevalo, Abigail Cular, and Joseph Elvis Benito as the student. And last but not the least, Joy Ochi as the camera woman. Let the presentation begin. 430 students are having a tour at the Rowan Jen Museum. When they are already roaming around, two students were horseplaying. These two students were so naughty that when they saw a sign, "Do not push," they pushed it with all their curiosity.
We gonna take you back
They didn't
into
know that the time was coming. So it drove them to the past. Past Peru and Connor Rowan discovered the so-called X-ray.
Into time.
When Rowan was already working on the effects of gases rays. On November 8, 1895, while he was experimenting, he observed that certain rays were emitted during the passing of the current through the discharge tube. His experiment that involved working on a totally dark room with a well-covered discharge tube resulted in the emission of rays, which illuminated a barium platinum cyanide-covered screen. The screen became fluorescent, even though it was placed in the path of the thickness, placed in the path of the rays, 2 meters away from the discharge tube. He continued his experiment using photographic tape to capture the image of various objects of random thickness placed in the path of the rays. He generated the very first Roentgenogram. By developing the image of his wife's hand, and analyzed the variable transparency as shown by her bones, flash, and her wedding ring. At first, they didn't know the name of his discovery.
I didn't know what this is. What shall I call to this new discovery?
And because he didn't know what was the name of his discovery, he decided.
Aha! I'll call this X-ray.
And there, he named the X-ray. He believed that X-ray beams are produced by the impact of gaseous rays on material objects. Because of his discovery, the entire medical profession was revolutionized, and they set a foundation for diagnostic radiology. In 1901, he received the very first What happened to you? So you dreamt about Rowan Jen? Same with you?
That's how Rowan Jen discovered the X-ray. Thank you for